Welcome back. This is our train channel. We have a tiger train. Let's check it out. It's a long one now. It's going slow here because I think there's going to be a stop right here. We'll keep the cameras rolling, and as soon as they get to move a little bit more, this is probably going to be it. Stop for today. Stop the trains for today since we're both under the weather. I tried to go live at home yesterday, but the streams wasn't working yesterday. There they go. All right, that's going to be it. Well, I was going to do the last one, but we'll be back on with the last train, actually. Talk to you later.